Okay, so what I wanted to do today is let's finish up Pumpkin Plaooza. I got the 4 things here that we made for that. Why don't we all give them a taste, okay? So, first things first, welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, the very first thing we made was my pumpkin ale. Now, I've made this, I couldn't tell you how many times, and me and my wife just love it, and everybody seems to really enjoy it, and we always try to make it this time of year. Okay. It carved out nice. It has that nice earthy tone to it. It also has just a very, very, very slight hint of the spices, and that's the way I like it. So, that is our first thing that we made. Very enjoyable. And you know, I'm going to sit out here and finish that. I don't know about the rest of it, but I will finish that. Okay, so the next thing we made was pudding shots, pumpkin pudding shots. Now this is a hit. Now I had to make another batch because the first ones I made, they're all done and gone. And I will put a card out to this up here. I'll put a card out to the playlist for everything. But this is the pumpkin pudding shots. It's real creamy. I mean, it's just like eating a pumpkin pie, to be honest with you. It is fantastic. Alright, so if you're having a get together, you want something to make for everybody for like Thanksgiving or whatever the case may be, this would be a big hit. Okay? Now, here comes the one that I was looking forward to most. This is our pumpkin wheated bourbon. I mean, if you can see that, it is a beautiful color. I wanted it on a little bit on the light side. It turned out just what I wanted. And normally I would, I like my spirits on ice, but this case I'm gonna just have it straight, neat. It's just a hint on the spices, and it just has that earthy. I think that's what you get out of pumpkin. It's just an earthy taste. Wow. Just like I said, it tastes just like it smells. It's got just a very, very little hint of the cinnamon and clove and the pumpkin pie spices. Just a hint of that, and it's fantastic. If you made that, you would be pleased. I can see this not going to last very long, so I'm going to have to hide some of that away from my wife because I don't want her to finish it. She's sitting right over here. But that is so enjoyable. So, that is our pumpkin wheated bourbon. And the wheat, it is as smooth as glass. Oh. Okay. Next one. This one was a new one to me. It wasn't my idea. A viewer gave me the idea. And it just kind of intrigued me. This was pumpkin rum made into pumpkin, okay? Alright. Like before, now what I did with this, we made the pumpkin rum into pumpkin, and then I spiced it because I wanted a spiced rum. So I put, in a quart jar, I put a couple peppercorns, some clove, some nutmeg, and a half a cinnamon stick, and then I left it in there for about a week, and then I strained that all out. Okay, and it's proof down to 70 proof. Okay, let's see what it is. Ooh, it tastes like a traditional rum, spiced rum, but it's a little bit different. I can really taste the pumpkin in it, to be honest with you. And I can smell the orange peel that went in. And I can taste the orange peel. And I put about 3" by 3/4" piece of orange peel in there. I wish I had more of that, but this is what all I got out of that pumpkin. Well, it was a little bit more than that, but it is very delicious. All right. Okay, so that's our Pumpkin Plaooza. Maybe next year we can figure out some different stuff to make. Now, since I poured this out, I guess I have to finish it, right? Somebody's nodding their head yes. Okay. So, I think this was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed it. I think I will do it again. That there is fantastic. Everybody would enjoy that. Okay. Last thing I got to say. Hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Cheers, everybody. Wow.